stops.
Red light.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's cool. It's not really showing up on my screen. Yeah, I can't see it on my screen for some reason. My lighting's really bad. Shadow.
Maybe exhibition normally release as well. Should scare people into this.
Yeah, now it picks it up. Turn up my brightness. There he is.
No. Stop.
Ooh, yeah, now I'm really good.
Yeah, the low light's so much better in your phone light. Look at it's like artificial light.
Really?
See?
Oh. See, I just turned up the brightness and now I can kind of see it more. Lighting.
You really need an SLR camera to get the low light.
Yeah. I think just when I figured out my camera. So just when I figured out my, there we go. Too long, do it. An interesting video. Here's the tour of the hotel. There's people on the roof. That's pretty good camera. Oh, now it's over there. Or I thought I saw one. Yeah. That makes some stuff. It's not working? I don't think I have my key. Oh no.